Hi guys, welcome back to another amazing video on my channel. In today's video guys, I'm going to be showing you a step-by-step process on how I basically analyze my trade on XAU to be precise. So guys, I hope you find this video very helpful. If you are new to this channel, my name is Akoma. I'm a forex trader documenting my forex trading journey here on YouTube in order to become profitable and successful forex trader. If this is the kind of content you are interested in watching, do well to smash the subscribe button. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Also turn on your post notification so you can get notified when next I post a new video on this channel. Without wasting much of our time guys, let's dive into our charts immediately. Hi guys, I hope you can see my charts. So guys, when I do my analysis, I like starting from the weekly time frame down to the lower time frame. This is my weekly time frame. I like starting from the weekly time frame because it helps me get a clearer view of what I should be looking out for in the market. You can see from this weekly time frame, you can see that the market is on a very strong bullish trend. This is XAUSD. The market has been buying for the longest time. So guys, and also this weekly time frame, what it means is that each candle here represents 1 week. Each candle here, including the small candles, it represents 1 whole week, 1 full week. You can see all these candles here all represents 1 week. Same with daily time frame. When you come to the daily time frame, each candle on the daily time frame represents 1 day. What has happened in the market? 1 day, each candle. You can see our daily time frame. This candle represents 1 day. You can see this one represents Friday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, just like that. Each candle here represents 1 day, including the strong, the big candles, the small candles. Same with our 4 hours time frame. When you go over to the 4 hours time frame, always have in mind that each candle on the 4 hours time frame, let me zoom out. Sorry, let me zoom in. When you come to the 4 hours time frame, always bear in mind that each candle on the 4 hours time frame represents 4 hours. I love to put this demarcation. This is what happened in a day, like this, just in case I've seen these dot lines. This is what happened on Wednesday, this is Thursday, this is Tuesday. So guys, and you can see 4 hours. Let's count the candles. 1 2 3 4 5 6. 4 times 6. 4 candles times, 4 hours candles times 4 hours times 6 candles will give us 24 hours a day. I hope it's not clear guys. I hope you've learned this today. Same with 1 hour, like just like that. So guys, going over to our weekly time frame. Going over to our weekly time frame, you can see that the market is on a bullish trend. What I do when I come to my weekly time frame is to map out my zones, map out the nearest zone that the market broke out from. So guys, you can see that the market is still in an uptrend. So I love to use this horizontal ray to map out my zone. This is a representative of my weekly zone, my weekly time frame zone. So you can see market broke out from this zone. So if this market is going to drop, come down, we're expecting a reaction at this zone. Going over to let's go over to the daily time frame. This is just like a top-down analysis to simplify what is currently happening in the market so that it could become clearer, you understand, so that you can know which action to take. So the higher the time frame, the longer the longer is expected to happen. But when you analyze, when you do your top down analysis to the lower time frame, you get to understand what you should be looking at for at that time. You understand? Not not to wait for when it will happen. So guys, this is our daily time frame. You can see that our daily time frame is also in a very strong bullish trend, and you can see how markets have been breaking highs, which shows that we are in a bullish trend, which is also known as uptrend. How do you know you are in an uptrend? How do you know the market is in an uptrend when market is breaking highs? And that is a graphical representation of what is happening on our daily time frame. You can see that the market broke this high, it broke this level, still came back and retested this level, came here, created another level, broke it. That is it. You don't need a magician to tell us that this market is on an uptrend, because it has been breaking the highs. In an uptrend, market breaks high, while in a downtrend, market breaks lows. So market cannot be in an uptrend and start breaking lows. You know that market is about to change structure. So guys, you can see this our zone from our weekly time frame. It also corresponded with this zone from daily time frame. But moving over to our left, we also need to map out this closest zone, because that's where the market is heading to or has gotten to. You can see it. Okay, market, let's check. Okay, just almost there. So we are sure that market is going to get to this zone. If market broke this strong level, then the closest zone is this zone. Let's map it out. Let's name it. This is our daily time frame. So we're expecting market to come here, like it haven't tapped in this zone. It didn't touch it. So we're expecting market to touch this zone. So guys, one thing you should know about gold, XAUSD, is that it respects zone so well. It respects zone, and that is an amazing thing about it. When placing your trade, it helps you know the right place to place your take profit and your SL, your stop loss. So guys, moving over to our 4 hours time frame. Moving over to our 4 hours time frame, you can see the market is still maintaining a bullish trend. So we have to map out our zone from our 4 hours time frame. So I still use this trend line to map out my zone, and you can see this is the most recent zone from the 4 hours time frame. This is the most recent zone. I also map it out 4 hours time frame, so that when we see this zone in any other time frame, we always know where we got the zone from. That is from our 4 hours time frame. So guys, you can see 4 hours time frame, it is trying to, the sellers are coming to the market. Let's go back to the 1 hour time frame to understand, to have a clearer picture of this movement here, of what is happening here. So let's go back to our 1 hour time frame. So from this 4 hour time frame, remember I told you all that we use our daily and our weekly time frame to understand the overall view of what the market is doing. So we use our 4 hours and our 1 hour time frame to map out, let me call it our point of entry, where we are looking at to have our entrance when market gets there, respect there, react there, depending on whatever market does at that zone. So guys, using this 4 hours time frame, when market comes to this zone, since we are on a bullish trend, since we are on an uptrend, we're expecting to buy when market gets there, but we can't just buy blindly. Remember, we don't predict what is going to happen in the market, we only react. So when market gets here, from the pattern market creates here, we determine if market is going to buy from this zone, or if it's going to come here and break this zone, or even buy from this zone, or even anything the market is going to do. But from what we are currently seeing on the market, we're looking forward to market getting here. So coming over to our 1 hour time frame. You can see what we are seeing on our 1 hour time frame. From our 1 hour time frame, market is currently selling. Market is breaking these lows. You can see what is happening. Market broke this level, went up, retested, and broke this level. So guys, let me map out our zone from this 1 hour time frame. This is what we are currently seeing from 1 hour time frame. We'll also map it out. You can see what we are seeing from our 1 hour time frame. So what we are expecting the market to do is, since markets have already started breaking lows, remember what I told you, in an uptrend, let me show you a graphical representation of what an uptrend looks like. So guys, this is what an uptrend looks like. When market is breaking highs, you can see it breaks, it retests. This is what an uptrend looks like. But this is what a downtrend look like. In a downtrend, market is not expected to break highs. Instead, it's expected to break lows. You can see how the market is breaking the lows, retesting. So guys, this is what is happening here. Market was breaking highs and coming over to our 1 hour time frame. Market have already started breaking lows. You can see. So guys, we can't ignore this movement. But from what we can see from our 4 hours time frame, we already know what the market is doing. We know that market is trying to come to this zone so that the buyers can keep buying. So even if we want to scalp this sell, our take profit shouldn't exceed here. So guys, this is what I mean. If we are going in for a sell, this is what I mean. If I'm the one taking this trade, I love to use 30 pips stop loss. And so guys, this is what I mean. If we are to take this sell, our take profit shouldn't exceed this level, because the market, the major move is not a downtrend, is not a sell. Market is not selling. This is just a minor retracement. And the good part of it is that it also gave a good risk to reward. So going over to our 15 minutes time frame, 15 minutes time frame is basically where I take my entries. Understand? So as you can see, 15 minutes time frame is also clear. It's also very clear. This is what we are seeing from our 15 minutes time frame. In order to be on a safer side, guys, I will also look out for my zone, closest zone from my left hand side, and I'm seeing one zone. So I would like to leave my TP on this zone to avoid story that touches the heart. You know, like, it would not be nice if markets went in your direction and almost at your TP it's reversed. So to avoid all those things, we love to place our TP at the closest and the nearest zone possible. So guys, this is what the market is most likely to do. But see where our men from this analysis have done. This is what I'm most looking out for. I'm looking out for market to buy, market to come to this zone and buy. But when market comes to this zone, I will not just start buying blindly. No, I'll look out for the pattern it creates on this level, this 4 hours level. I will wait until market starts breaking highs before I know that the buyers are now in the market. So guys, that will be all for it. That will be all for this video. I hope you guys learned a lot from this explanation. It was really a very detailed explanation. I hope this video was very helpful to someone at least. Thank you so much for sticking with us. Please do leave your comments in the comment section. Give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to this channel, guys. I'm ready to pour out a lot of knowledge on this channel. All you have to do is to encourage me by subscribing to this channel. Thank you guys. This will be all for today. Thank you for watching to this point. This will be the end of this video. I hope you find it very helpful. So guys, if you've not subscribed to this channel, I don't know what you are waiting for. I have a lot of amazing content that will be coming your way. So please do well to subscribe, do well to smash the subscribe button, like the video. You can also leave your comments in the comment section below. Just in case you have any questions, leave it on the comment section below. And if you have ideas of video you want me to make next on this channel, you can also leave it on the comment section below. Most importantly, turn on your post notification so that you can get notified when next I post another amazing content on this channel. So guys, see you in my next video. Bye guys.